안녕하세요. 잔잔한 몸무게 끝내주는 정보 캘라그램입니다. 자, 벌티오서 에너지에서 지금처럼 모니터링 할 수 있는 시스템을 설치해 주었습니다. 자, 이거 와이파이. Yeah.
Perfect. So yeah, that's the instantaneous power that's being produced at the moment.
So now it's like producing like
About half the system
about
because it's a bit overcast, the sun went away kind of. So that'll change.
So it's depending on the weather, like
Yeah.
if it is too cloudy or rain, so it
Yeah,
might
it'll
drop.
go down. Yeah,
Okay,
exactly.
I see.
And then this one here is the full system size.
Yeah.
So you can see there it's about a 4.5 kilowatt system. Like we already knew that part. Today's energy, so you've produced 1.1 kilowatt hours so far.
So far, okay.
So far, so nothing crazy yet, but it will be, like this is perfectly south, right? So you're going to be producing all day. Then you can see the total energy is going to be the same as today because we just turned it on. And then the carbon offsets as well that you're producing. And then you can click here and you can actually go to the modules. Excuse me, right now it tells you what the modules are producing. Some of them on the left, they aren't producing as much right now. That's just because of weather and stuff like that. Nothing's wrong with the system. It just does that depending on the weather. So you can see there, you can see what the modules are doing, which is nice. Everything, and that'll keep updating as time goes, right? Like that'll be instantaneous as well.
Okay.
And then you can go data, and it will build a chart for you. And you can actually see exactly what's going on within 5-minute intervals. With how much power is being produced in those times. And then you can go through daily, again, monthly, whatever. But it's gonna have to add it all up, right? It just got turned on. So same stuff, and then the settings at the end is just to change your password, so or anything like that. So yeah, pretty much that's the app. It tells you everything you need to know anywhere in the world as long as the internet's connected to the unit. You should have no problems. You'll see it kind of all the time. So.
Okay. 오늘은 야외에서 한번 실측을 해보겠습니다. 2월 26일 11시 36분이고 현재 온도는 4도를 가리키고 있습니다. 다소 구름 낀 날씨라고 나오는데 햇볕을 한번 보겠습니다. 햇볕이 그리 나쁘지 않네요. 오늘 생산량이 얼마인지 한번 기대가 됩니다. 현재 전력량은 1889W를 보이고 있네요. 아침부터 지금까지 총 6.75kWh의 전기를 생산해냈습니다. 그리 나쁘지 않은 수치이네요. 최대 전력이었을 때 시간과 각각의 모듈을 탭에서 확인해 보겠습니다. 시간은 11시 8분이 최고 전력이었고 전력은 3747W였습니다. 오늘 전력 생산 그래프가 그림에서 보시는 바와 같이 나타나네요. 지난 5일 동안의 전력 생산량이 그림에서 보는 바와 같이 나와 있습니다. 각각 요일별로 얼마만큼의 전력이 생산되었고 얼마만큼의 최고 전력이 어느 시간대에 있었는지 자세하게 나와 있습니다. 지난 5일 동안 다소 구름 낀 날씨와 눈도 오곤 했지만 5일 동안 월별 사용량의 15% 정도를 생산했습니다. 이 정도 추세이면 이번 달 사용량의 90% 정도를 생산할 것 같습니다. Thanks for coming up on my YouTube channel, Kilogram.
Yeah.
And then, could you tell me about yourself and then the company?
Perfect. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks for having me, Young. So, Virtuoso Energy is a sustainability company. We work on 3 different sectors: so efficiency of buildings, solar, so from residential to utility to commercial scale, and then electric vehicle infrastructure as well. So we're partnered with Tesla, Porsche, and ChargePoint, and we can offer EV charging at residential and commercial spaces.
Yeah.
Sorry, myself, I'm the director of operations with the company, so I take care of the high-level operations and look after all the projects.
Okay, because I saw because your name on your company's name on on Tesla Calgary, and then then could you tell me about what is about it?
Yeah, so we are actually the top installer for Tesla in southern Alberta. So we do a lot of their wall connectors, things like that. So when people purchase a Tesla, they reach out to us, and we'll put in a circuit and a charger into their garage, usually for the Tesla, depending on what they're looking for.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't know that like your company is like a top Tesla like installation.
Yeah, we've done a lot of them. We've been with them for almost 3.5 years now. We've been doing stuff with them, so yeah, it's been a while.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, question is, what do you think how the solar business growing in Canada or especially in Alberta?
Yeah, it's a really good question. So the solar industry has grown a lot. It's been a few things. One of them is the price. The price has come down a lot. It's become very affordable for the end user. The second one is just the technology. So the technology has advanced so much that now, again, it's feasible at the home level. The technology is always kind of evolving. Things are getting smaller. Things are getting more efficient. That's a big part of it. And then as well as just the industry, people are becoming aware of the environmental impacts as well as the economical. So it's kind of, they met in the middle, and now it's a feasible thing to have on your home or on your property, whether it's commercial or residential.
Okay, yeah, that's nice. And then how long have you running this company?
We've been in business for 5 years. We operate in Calgary, Edmonton, and Vancouver.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
And then how could you guarantee the customer satisfaction in terms of the warranty and then what to cover?
Yeah, so customer satisfaction is a huge part of our industry and of our business itself. So the big one is the products that we use. So when we source our products, we go through a very extensive process to make sure that they're good products, that they have the good warranty backing, that they've been around for a long time, they have a good track record, all of that stuff. And then internally, we have a team as well that if there's ever questions or anything like that, you can reach out to anybody and we'll cover any issues if any arise. The nice thing about the solar systems is they're pretty much maintenance free. So you shouldn't have to do anything. If there's anything that kind of seems off, then yeah, just reach out to us and we'll take care of that for you. And we'll deal with the warranty stuff on the supplier side as well. So with the products.
So as I believe that like a product warranty is at 25 years.
Yeah, on the panels it's 25 years for the output, but the panels actually last about 35 to 40 years.
Okay.
So you're laughing when it comes to that. Like they're on the roof for 35 to 40 years, which is a long time.
And then let's say your company has some financial issue, like this is just an example, a bankrupt, and then customer claims some service under the warranty. What's gonna happen, and then where should we call then?
So first of all, we're bonded, so that's a portion of that. That's good. That covers our insurance. Will be covered for that. And then the other part about it is the actual products themselves. So when we at the end, we'll send you kind of what the products, you already know what products we use. You can actually reach out to them directly as well, and they'll take care of the product warranties based off of the serial code on each individual panel or the microinverters or whatever it is. So they'll actually do it for you as well. We just try to help you. So
okay. And last question, I will give you a few minutes. So please advise a prospective customer, and then what would you like to say?
So I guess a prospective customer is anyone. We're trying to, a big part of our Troso is trying to make sustainability accessible to everybody. So wide variety. It's going to come down to anyone with a house, condos, anything like that. A shared roofs as well. We work on pretty much. It can be the everyday person looking.
Okay. Thanks for like a good explanation, and then thanks for coming.
Awesome. Thanks. Yeah.
어떻게 이번 영상이 많은 도움이 되셨나요? 다음 시간까지 건강하시고 안녕히 계세요. 이젠 구독과 좋아요를 받을 만한 영상을 제가 만들었나요? 지금까지 캘거리 라이프 인스타그램 잔잔한 몸무게 끝내주는 정보 캘라그램이었습니다.